Welcome to Speak Stride English, the best place to help you learn English.
Are you ready?
Let's get started.
What does break the ice mean? A. Start a conversation. B. Make a mistake. C. End a conversation. Answer. Start a conversation. What does hit the sack mean? A. Go to bed. B. Eat a meal. C. Work hard. Answer. Go to bed. What does bite the bullet mean? A. Complain loudly. B. Face a painful situation. C. Avoid a problem. Answer. Face a painful situation. What does let the cat out of the bag mean? A. Keep a secret. B. Reveal a secret. C. Find something. Answer. Reveal a secret. What does kill two birds with one stone mean? A. Do two things at once. B. Hurt two people. C. Make a mistake. Answer. Do two things at once. What does burn the midnight oil mean? A. Work late into the night. B. Waste time. C. Go on vacation. Answer. Work late into the night. What does spill the beans mean? A. Reveal information. B. Start a rumor. C. Lie to someone. Answer. Reveal information. What does under the weather mean? A. Feeling happy. B. Feeling sick. C. Feeling angry. Answer: feeling sick. What does the ball is in your court mean? A. It's your decision now. B. You are under pressure. C. You won a prize. Answer: it's your decision now. What does a piece of cake mean? A. Something very easy. B. Something very hard. C. A slice of cake. Answer: something very easy. What does when pigs fly mean? A. When something unlikely happens. B. When animals fly. C. When something happens soon. Answer: when something unlikely happens. What does break a leg mean? A. Good luck. B. Be careful. C. Break your leg. Answer: good luck. What does barking up the wrong tree mean? A. Making a mistake. B. Being rude to someone. C. Looking in the right place. Answer: making a mistake. What does burn bridges mean? A. To ruin relationships. B. To build connections. C. To avoid conflict. Answer: to ruin relationships. What does cost an arm and a leg mean? A. Very cheap. B. Very expensive. C. Easy to get. Answer: very expensive. What does cut corners mean? A. Do something poorly to save time, money. B. Spend extra time. C. Finish a task early. Answer. Do something poorly to save time, money. What does put all your eggs in one basket mean? A. Invest everything in one thing. B. Diversify investments. C. Hide your money. Answer. Invest everything in one thing. What does add insult to injury mean? A. Make a situation worse. B. Make a situation better. C. Ignore someone. Answer. Make a situation worse. What does take with a grain of salt mean? A. Believe completely. B. Be skeptical. C. Forget immediately. Answer. Be skeptical. What does throw in the towel mean? A. To keep going. B. To give up. C. To celebrate. Answer. To give up. What does go the extra mile mean? A. Do more than expected. B. Finish quickly. C. Waste time. Answer. Do more than expected. What does hit the nail on the head mean? A. Do something wrong. B. Describe exactly what is wrong. C. Misunderstand the situation. Answer. Describe exactly what is wrong. What does the last straw mean? A. The final problem in a series. B. A good situation. C. A new opportunity. Answer. The final problem in a series. What does on the fence mean? A. Undecided. B. Very committed. C. Finished making a decision. Answer: undecided. What does the tip of the iceberg mean? A. The smallest part of a bigger problem. B. The whole situation. C. The final solution. Answer: the smallest part of a bigger problem. What does up in the air mean? A. Not yet decided. B. Very clear. C. Impossible to happen. Answer: not yet decided. What does miss the boat mean? A. Take a boat. B. Miss an opportunity. C. Ignore someone. Answer: miss an opportunity. What does beat around the bush mean? A. Avoid talking directly. B. Get straight to the point. C. Speak clearly. Answer: avoid talking directly. What does let sleeping dogs lie mean? A. Ignore past conflicts. B. Start a fight. C. Bring up old issues. Answer: ignore past conflicts. What does make a mountain out of a molehill mean? A. Exaggerate a small issue. B. Ignore a problem. C. Solve a big issue. Answer: exaggerate a small issue.